Yeah, so I know you love your future visioning, Bob. It gets you to where you want to be. But there's something else that you harp on quite a bit, and that I think plays in, and that's your muscle. I always forget the complete name, of dynamic
Yeah.
muscle tension relief or muscle release. But in that, into your four the functional areas, does that play in the pre-sleep routine? Does it play in when you're waking up at night? How, where's that play in? And remember, you got to demonstrate that to us as well.
All right, that's a great question, Tim. So I have two techniques that are related to neuromuscular reeducation. So one of the techniques is I call neuromuscular movement reeducation routine, and the other one I call effective muscle release routine. So the movement reeducation routines are the neuromuscular movement reeducation routines are simple movements that people can do. Let's see, let me just give you, it could be something like somebody has a bad shoulder. It could be a shoulder circle routine. It could be a head circle. It could be a foot activity that I have somebody do.